going on YouTube? It's Hiking Adventures. We're going to Bruny Island to find a few secret huts. Stay tuned. This is going to be awesome. Stinks. Poo-wee. Ew. This hut is known as the cardboard goblet. It's only known to a certain few people, obviously, like-minded like myself. I've already given up too much information saying that there's a hut out here anyway, because you're going to see one thing that these people are going to go see, because I guarantee they're not going to the hut. So there's one little tourist attraction before the hut, so I gather I'll see everyone there before I get to the hut. Hopefully. See where it's all been regenerated, where the fires were, where they burnt off in 2020, I think it was, 2021. I'm not sure if it was deliberate or it was a planned burn, I can't remember. But fuck, it's taking a toll. Such a pretty little bird. Dong, dong, dong. Some sort of frog. We have a mission. That's where we're going. Cardboard goblet. Ship that was bringing timber around near Bruny Island, docked in and left, and I don't know, obviously had a shipwreck and all the parts floated up on the beach. This is the timber from the shipwreck, and they made the hut here. and beds. Enough for 2-3 people in case. Supplied a little kitchen or whatever you want to call it. And around the corner to the heater fireplace. It's a cool little hut. Some history here, it's wicked. It was built in 1954. Hobart Goblet, built in 1954. All the original photos and copies of them and the story. All the old blokes fishing. It was first built. It's wicked. 1963. Wow. Saturday night's dinner. Oh, what is that here? Wow. Thanks again, Cardboard Goblet. Thanks for having me. Catch you later, Cardboard Goblet. What a wicked little hut.